let's look at this together. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
2-minute EWO, the buy was here, right? That's here. Then we have to ride the 25 to 40, or as long as it makes sense, stay in it. This is your move on the EWO, right? So no matter what, you're guaranteed money. That's what I made my money on too, by the way, is SPX, right? That's where I made my money. Same thing with you guys. Or you're in the scalp, which is here, which is 415.81. These are two different things. One, you're scalp trading. One, you're riding the 2-minute EWO. They are not the same, and they will never be treated the same. Does that make sense?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'm glad that you said that, because that makes it. So the other ones are more scalping.
Correct.
And then the EWO, you'll be in it a lot longer.
That's right. Yep. Now your scalp can turn into forever, which is awesome, right? But
yeah, like on the NVDA this morning. If you
correct. But the time of entry is different. That's the only thing that changes, is the time of entry, right? So again, you would have been in here earlier off the 2-minute, because that's somewhere in this, right?
Yeah.
Where if we're waiting for the scalp, that's not till this line. And then you had the here and here and here and here. But if you were in the 2-minute, you didn't care about all those little goofy moves because you were in here. And then you let it go, you know, and you can see right here, it started to fade back, right? It riding the rocket ship, rolling down the hill. Directional change, VWAP, but you bought here, no matter what, guaranteed profit. Doesn't matter where you took it. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's
perfect. Thank you, Coach. That helped me a lot there. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And same thing here. So let's look at NVIDIA. So we already knew the scalp because I said that all day off the 279. We'll look at the 2-minute though, right? Here's, oops, let me flip to 2-minute. Hold on. So right here on the 2-minute, same thing. Now, a lot of times you notice they'll kind of coincide with each other. So right here's the 2-minute. Somewhere on this candle it was, right? Which was, it just happened to be, they were the same thing. So if you entered the scalp at the same time as you did the 2-minute EWO, because they were almost hand in hand, well, now you can let them both go because they never broke back below VWAP, which means you never had to worry, and you collect all the money from here to here, right? At any point. But what I could see here, and this is why I started talking about the bend here, is because this was riding up nicely, looking good. And the reason is because it continued to go up. It's continued to go above VWAP, but then I see the change here. So anytime I see it start to roll downhill, I start to pay more attention, right? Because our buyers are leaving all of this range, which means sellers are kicking in. Do you see it?
Yeah. So would you have already gotten out of the NVIDIA if you were in it?
Whole group. What would I have done? I would start to shed. So as it pulls, shed some weight. Pulls some more, shed some weight. Pulls some more, shed some weight, right? Breaks VWAP, I'm out.
Okay.
Because then I collect all my money from here to anywhere that I don't like it, and I get to ride the gravy train forever, right? Because think about it, at the end of the day, let's say right here, let's say I sold some here. Let's say I moved some here. And then up here is where I told you guys this started to look heavy. I could have moved some here and then here. Well, I could have did half, some, one. You see what I mean? Like I can do whatever I want, but I've made my money from here. So I can guarantee profit, 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 profit. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yep.
And then if it decides to run, awesome. Maybe I got 1 or 2 left in there, and bye-bye. It doesn't matter. Those are all free trades, right? So anytime it goes against me, I can shed. Now, if you're in the camp of I own 1, I bought 1, right? You're like, well, I bought 1 here. All I could afford was 1. I'm in 1. Well, I'd still let it ride. Why? Because I bought it down here, never broke below VWAP. I'd check that trading view indicator. It still shows you're a go, and I'd just keep an eye on it, right? No matter what, I'm in a profitable trade, no matter what. But that's why I like to buy multiples. If you had 2, you could have shed some right here. right here on this big indicator and big downhill. So if I had 2 at this point and I bought them here, right there is where I collect 1, and I got 1 and I'm holding. You see it? And then if it comes down here and it breaks below VWAP and holds, I'm going to get out. And that's it. If it comes down and it touches VWAP or even breaks through a little bit and bounces back, I'm still in it. But if it comes back below VWAP and has candles and it holds down here, I'm out. I don't care. I'll take my profit, which will still be a profit from here to here. And I took my giant profit here, right? And that's how you guys will do it. But going small, let them run forever.